梁智鴻醫生、麥海雄醫生、葉校長、各位同事、各位媒體界嘅朋友，早晨大家好。今日感謝各位蒞臨，共同見證香港科技大學創校以來一個歷史性嘅里程碑。科大即將啟動香港第3所醫學院嘅籌建工作。我謹代表科大校董會同埋全體師生，衷心感謝特區政府籌備新醫學院工作組嘅成員喺過去一段時間對建議書進行細緻深入嘅討論同審議。同時，我哋要特別感謝眾多專家學者同埋社會各界喺過去2年間對我哋科大新辦醫學院嘅信任同支持。而家科大喺籌建新醫學院嘅征程上，終於邁出關鍵嘅一步。籌建新醫學院呢，係特區政府應對未來醫療需求，推動醫療體系變革嘅重要舉措，更關乎香港全體市民嘅福祉。能夠獲得特區政府嘅信任同重託，承擔呢個重大使命，我哋深感榮幸。呢個呢係對科大多年嚟科研、教育同埋知識轉移方面卓越貢獻嘅肯定，亦凝聚咗政府對社會各界對我哋未來發展嘅堅定嘅支持。新醫學院嘅建立唔單止係標誌住科大嘅發展進入全新嘅階段，更將為香港、國家乃至全球嘅醫學人才嘅培養同埋醫療創新開啓新篇章，為香港發展成為國際醫療創新樞紐提供重要嘅支撐。香港大學醫學院同埋中文大學醫學院呢，長期以來對香港醫療嘅發展有重大貢獻。科大期待好快可以同2所醫學院開展緊密合作，透過資源分享、優勢互補、協同創新，共同推進香港醫學教育嘅多元發展。同時，我哋亦感謝香港浸會大學同理工大學喺中醫、專責醫療同護理等領域奠定嘅堅實基礎。展望未來，科大願與各院校攜手並進，以協作共贏嘅精神，共同提升香港嘅醫療水準，促進本地嘅醫學發展。喺呢度，我感向科大校董會顧問小組、科大新醫學院籌備委員會同埋科大醫學教育工作小組嘅各位成員，以及所有參與建議書撰寫嘅同仁，致以由衷嘅感謝。感謝大家群策群力、辛勤付出。今日呢份成果呢，來之不易，承載住大家嘅心血同努力。當然，距離新醫學院嘅成功創立乃至正式嘅運作呢，我哋面前依然有好長嘅路要走。我期待同特區政府嘅籌備新醫學院督導委員會同科大同仁一直支持科大嘅專家學者以及志同道合嘅社會賢達同好友，並肩前行，一步一步推進新醫學院嘅建設。正所謂30而立，40而不惑。明年我哋科大呢會迎來創校嘅35週年。科大雖然未滿40，係一所相對年輕嘅大學，但係我哋會繼續秉持初心，致力為香港、為國家辦好一所能夠矗立於世界嘅醫學院，培育精通科技嘅醫療人才，為香港醫療體系源源不絕注入新動力。多謝各位。 the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, HKUST, has officially embarked on the establishment of Hong Kong's third medical school, marking one of the most significant milestones since the university's founding. This initiative represents a crucial step forward in addressing the city's future healthcare needs and strengthening the resilience of its medical system. HKUST extends its sincere gratitude to the HKSR government's task group on the new medical school for its thorough review and approval process, as well as to the many scholars and the community partners who have supported this endeavor over the past 2 years. The new medical school will adopt an innovative approach centered on medical technology integration and research-driven education, cultivating a new generation of clinicians equipped with both advanced technological proficiency and a strong sense of medical ethics and patient-centered values. HKUST looks forward to collaborating closely with the University of Hong Kong and the Chinese University of Hong Kong, whose medical schools have long contributed significantly to the community, as well as with other local institutions, such as the Hong Kong Baptist University and the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. Through resources sharing and the complementary strengths, the university aims to jointly advance medical education and research in Hong Kong. As HKUST prepares to celebrate its 35th anniversary next year, it reaffirms its commitment to establishing a world-class medical school that serves Hong Kong and the nation. While the journey ahead requires sustained effort and the collaboration with government, academic, and the community stakeholders, the university is confident that this new institution will play a transformative role in nurturing future-ready medical talent and reinforcing Hong Kong's position as an international hub for medical education and innovation. Thank you very much.